Alright, so it is currently 9:31 AM on Thursday, I think.
Is it Thursday? I think it's Thursday.
Thursday. So if you've been following along with the channel, you know that today I'm picking up something quite special. So we're going just near where I live. It's only about 5-10 minute drive. Going to a place and picking up a Lamborghini Huracan.
How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling excited.
Are you scared?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
Alright, so apparently this is where we're picking up a Lamborghini.
This is where we're going. So basically we're in an area near St Albans, a really kind of wealthy area, and it's a family run place.
Yeah.
I spoke to the guy before, sorry about the noise. So he started off with a Ferrari like 20 years ago, and he's built up this whole load of supercars.
So it's kind of like a private joint, like
it's sort of very, very private. Like,
yeah.
Like you're not allowed in if you don't know.
How did you find out about this place?
It's on the internet.
Daryl, this is Daryl, Johnny.
Daryl, you alright?
Doing alright?
It's Daryl's lovely Huracan. So.
Oh nice, oh fantastic, yeah.
Right, so you've just been taught by the guy how to drive this thing. How do you feel?
I feel great. No, I feel it's wicked. So I'm just gonna get the seat aligned and just make sure I'm aware of where everything is. Yeah. We're gonna be going in Strada mode, which is like the street mode. It's like the kind of pussy mode. Just so I can get a feel of the car for the next maybe like 20 minutes, half an hour, and then I'm gonna probably drive it in sport mode. Has it like inspired you seeing it in person? It's in person. Okay, my initial reaction is that it's smaller than I thought it was. Like the headroom is actually better. Maybe I'm just small, I don't know, but everything's just a little bit smaller than I thought it was. Like the screen, if you look out the front, it's like the tiniest little screen ever. Yeah. So it's proper slanted, isn't it? It's like a crazy angle. It's almost flat. It is almost flat. So it's going to be really interesting. I need to kind of understand the size of the car, stuff like that. But yeah, it should be pretty cool. We've got reverse down here, so I just need to figure out how to use it. Got the park, got manual, which I'll leave off for now, handbrake. All this sort of stuff. I assume I can move this.
Cheers guys. See you later.
Woo! The beast has awoken.
The beast has awoken. Okay, cool. So,
getting some cardio in the rain.
What has been going on? As you saw for the last clip, we're driving into a place called The Grove, really posh, expensive place. Just because I knew it would be a good photo opportunity, because all the car parks everywhere is just like pristine. However, the only problem is it's still pissing it down raining outside. So this is not what you want when you've got a Lamborghini and you want to use it for like taking pictures and stuff. So if you have a little look at this, guys, this is the app I use. It's called Dark Sky, and it's showing their rain for the next kind of hour or so, but it's gonna hopefully dry up later on, maybe in an hour or maybe 2 hours. So that means that we're going to get outside. It'll still be a bit wet on the ground, but that's okay. Take some photos, do some like B-roll of me driving like past. So that is what we're going to do.
It's like a series of things.
Alright, so we are now leaving the Grove. Still raining though, unfortunately. Still raining. But I think we're just going to probably do some twat laps. Should we get in or?
I might have to get in.
You might have to get in.
You're my chauffeur.
Yeah, you come in, bro. And let me unlock the door.
Get this handle over. Ah, there it is. Where are we going? Around the corner.
We're just gonna go drive around it.
Ready?
I'm ready to go. So one thing that you get quite a lot in a Lamborghini is a lot of attention. Lots of people smiling, like driving past in their cars, like smiling and waving and stuff like that. It's really cool. I really like that sort of stuff. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't have a YouTube channel if I didn't kind of like attention.
And everyone that we've passed has given way to you.
Yeah, they have, yeah. Everyone gives way, even when I have no right of way.
Yeah.
Everyone's like, yeah, no, you come out. Because they want to see it, right?
I don't know if they're scared of like scratching the side of your car or something, but yeah, everyone's literally giving way.
Yeah. It's still raining, which is a bit of a shame, but it's easing up a little bit, which is quite nice. So yeah. What I'm going to do is just drive through Watford, just like around the city. I just want to see like the reaction, because it's normally quite busy, but again, because it's raining, I don't know if there's going to be any people there. I think like the way to describe the feeling right now is that we're both just like so pumped up about this. We were just having a conversation a second ago. Well, explain what
we're basically saying, like, I didn't even know how I would feel before today. And I think probably Johnny was more excited because he's the one driving and stuff. But the thing is, when you sit in something like this, you just feel a certain type of way. It's like you feel like you're in a work of art, and it's like you're just so motivated to achieve and attain this, you know. I don't think these guys particularly care.
Drive down there. Can we drive down there?
Where? I think we can go either way.
Go this way.
Yeah. Do some. We're those dicks that you're like, oh, why do they have to do that? We've become those guys. The guy in Subway's checking it. But like, full of the Lambo.
It's just the sound when it crackles, and oh, it's just amazing.
This car's the definition of finesse.
Crackle. It is unfortunately pretty wet, so I'm going to end the video in a second. But I've got two videos I want to record. First of all is a Lambo Q&A, and the second of all is how I went from zero to £20,000 a month on Amazon. So which one would you want to see first? I want to see in the comments maybe which one you want to see first, and I'll get that one kind of edited and made before the others. But for now, that's going to be it, and I will see you all very soon. Bye-bye.